I'll be showing you on how to use the McDonald's app. So let's hop straight into the video. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. If you haven't already downloaded the app, then go ahead and open the app. So this is just a quick tour of what the app has to offer. You can earn free food, you'll also get daily deals, and you can order ahead for all of your favorite items. So we'll need to create an account. Click create an account. In the bottom right hand corner, here you can create your account with Apple, Facebook, Google, or your email. I personally like using my email because I only have to press 2 buttons and it'll do all the work for me. Now, if you would like to turn on your notifications, click yes. If not, click maybe later. And this is the home screen. To start your order, underneath menu, click start an order. Now, McDonald's will want you to share your location whenever you're placing an order, and here's why. McDonald's needs to identify the nearest restaurant to you. That way, they can go ahead and start working on your order. And another reason is because you'll get access to different offers and promos for your selected store. Now that that's out the way, back to the video. Hit continue. This is what it should look like after you've created your account. So, because it's breakfast time, you'll only be able to order breakfast items. You have your home-style breakfast, sandwiches and meals, and hash browns and sides. Let's see what breakfast has to offer. And I'm gonna go with the big breakfast with bacon and hotcakes. Now, if you want to customize this, you can tap on the blue link. But this is really an overall of everything that comes with this. And if you want to change how many that you're getting, just tap the plus arrow and then hit add to bag. Now to check out, tap the McDonald's bag. Up top, they'll display your location. Always double check to make sure that it's right. Next, tap review and pay. Select your pickup method. So, all in all, my total came out to $15.75. Rewards and in-app exclusive. Tap on rewards and deals. So, I currently have 181 reward points. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see what you can redeem with your reward points. Click on view all. To redeem anything, you'll need at least 1,500 reward points. And with 1,500 points, you'll be able to get a McChicken, cheeseburger, or a vanilla cone. If you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see more items that you'll be able to redeem that go all the way up to 6,000 reward points. Now, to see your app exclusive deals, head on back to the homepage. Then tap on rewards and deals and tap on app exclusive deals. They have a $5 off any purchase of $20 or more, 40% off a cheeseburger or a quarter pounder. And then because it is breakfast time, they have breakfast deals as well. So let's use the breakfast deal. There are 2 ways that you can use any coupon. You can add it to your mobile order or you can use it in the restaurant. And I'll show you what both look like. When you tap on add mobile order, click use deal. Then select what item you would like and pick out your drink. Then hit add to order. So before the coupon, this meal would have been $8.09. And by using the coupon, it cut that price in half to just $4.30. Now, using your coupon at a restaurant. Tap on use at restaurant. Click use deal. Now, if you are going through the drive-thru, you can give them this code. Now, if you go inside the store, click use restaurant code. Now, you'll be able to scan the code and apply it that way. Your profile, history order, and missing receipt. Tap on the more icon to see your order history. Disclaimer, if you did order through the app, there is no way to pull up a receipt of the items that you ordered. The only thing that you'll be able to pull up on the app are the items that you purchased and at what time. You will not be able to see any other details. And here's what I mean. Tap on recent and faves. So here's my order history. You can see the date and the time that I purchased my items. And if you can't tell, I really like apple pies. And if you tap on view details, it'll only just expand the items that you ordered. And if you want to add anything to your favorites, you can do that here. To add a missing receipt, tap on the more icon and then hit add missing points from receipt. Now all you'll need to do is enter in your receipt details, and here's a side-by-side of what that'll look like. So here are the 4 main details that you'll need to have: your restaurant number, visit date, time, and order number, and the order total. Previous comments. This is something that I like to do just in case I missed or didn't cover something, or in case you still have any other questions about the app. So here are some of the top comments and concerns that previous viewers have had. Why is there no checkout now button? Great question. So a while ago, McDonald's did have a glitch on their system and it caused them to completely remove the checkout button. So hopefully that won't happen again. If I choose the method of picking up at the front counter, does it count as a to-go order? Yes, it does count as a to-go order. It'll also give you a wait time that will be displayed on your screen as well. So I always like to take a screenshot just to make sure that I always have proof that I did in fact pay for that order, just in case any employees are wondering if I did or not, if we're having difficulty with my order. How do you use an employee discount? Okay, so for an employee discount, you have to use a completely separate app. So here are the instructions on how to do that. You'll need to download a separate app called Our Lounge mobile app, and then you'll need to go ahead and enter in your information and set it up that way to receive your employee discount. Can I send a QR code or a code to someone else so they can pick up the order I placed? Yes, you can send the QR code. This is something that I actually do all the time with some of my friends or my siblings. What I really like to do is once they get to the store, I'll have the app on my phone, I'll place the order, already have paid for it, and then all I'll have to do is hit that yes, I am here, and then I'll give them the code number and it'll display up on the screen at the top at the restaurant, and then all they'll have to do is wait for the number to be called and pick up the food. Can't seem to get condiments through the app. Where is the mayonnaise? Great question. Condiment selections are only available for nuggets. If you order something other than that, you'll most likely have to ask for condiments at the window or in person. So if you do place an order on the app, you can always go inside the store and ask for extra condiments that way. I don't know why they have it set up like that you can't for some reason, but it's just like that. Where can I find the orders or bill from the McDonald's app? Now, I already did cover this one previously in the video, so if you still are unsure about that, you can go back to the video and watch that. I also have a separate video on my channel explaining on how to do that as well. How do you use your points and add more to your order? I have not figured that out yet. So that's another one that I covered in the video too. If you still cannot seem to figure it out, make sure you comment down below. And of course, as always, I definitely will try and answer it to my best ability. What if I'm like an hour away from the McDonald's and my house? Okay, so you can go ahead and place the order. Let's say you're at your house. You can go ahead and place the order at your house. McDonald's has it set up to where they have your location, so they can see how far you are away from the store, and they won't even start your order till you're at least like 5 minutes away from the store. So if you do want to go ahead and place it, you can go ahead and knock that out, and the order will not be cooked until you are at least 5 minutes away from the store. If you have any other additional comments, comment down below and I'll try to answer them as best I can. Okay, I think that's everything. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.